How to block WhatsApp status screenshots. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can block your WhatsApp status screenshots. So first things first, before you go ahead and pull up and start the tutorial, all I have to do at very first glance is to make sure that your WhatsApp application is going to be updated to its latest version so you will not encounter any types of bugs and crashes in the middle of the process. Now again, pull up the WhatsApp application and log in into your WhatsApp account. Now the only thing for us to be able to make this work is to go into the three dots at the upper right. Then go to settings. And then from settings, scroll down here and choose on privacy. From privacy, choose on status. So this is the only, or these are the only options that you can use for you to restrict anything that you have from your WhatsApp status. So if you don't want someone to take a screenshot out of your WhatsApp status, is just to make sure that allow sharing is off or disabled. And that's it. That's how you block WhatsApp status screenshot.